Today is an important day for me to be here at the induction ceremony of the library. A college library is a place that plays an important role in encouraging innovation and thirst for knowledge. It provides support for learning and teaching throughout. As a storehouse of knowledge, our college library not only satisfies our external but also internal desire for knowledge of the unknown and unseen. Our library does not only play an important role in providing academic references, but also provides a range of fiction, non-fiction, digital, psychological, scientific, traditional, advanced, and many more with the printing facilities. Nearly every aspect of knowledge is covered by it. The staff of the library is so humble and cooperative that it never felt like problematic for me in seeking directions, that is, whether in searching books or the process of issuing and returning the same. There is definitely a systematic process which is to be followed, which again becomes easy for such a cooperative staff. The cleanliness of the library is well maintained, and situation is regularly done in order, and sanitation is regularly done in order to maintain all the preventive measures. All my 4 years here in the library motivated me to never settle for the less. Last but not the least, I want you all to kindly spare your precious time and take the full advantage of the facility provided to us all by the college. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ankita. Thank you for the inspiring words. May I request everyone to switch on their video? Can we have a picture of our students?
Okay.
Nishna, Meher, any one of you would like to share your experiences?
Yes,
Pooja,
ma'am.
just a
Thank
minute.
you, ma'am.
Just Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Now you can now switch off your video, please. Nishtha, would you like to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for calling me. It's a golden opportunity for me to to be able to join, and here I'm speaking on this occasion of this online induction of our college library. Honestly speaking, our college library is the best in our town. I have been to other libraries, but this is an honest confession. Our library is the best one. And the best part of our library is we have different sections for all different books, be it reference, textbook, or any novels, or any. We have more research library. That's the best part, obviously. And the digital corner also. The even when I go for issuing, getting the reference books issued, sometimes it happens that there's a single book, but in our library we have more than 4 or 5 books of the same section, so that just in case if I go to issue a geography book by Malku sir and we don't have it, but in other libraries you might have just one book for the same. In our library we have more, like 4 or 5 of the same author. We never have a difficulty of having the book, the best part. And I've personally read the books of the Lalchand Research Library. We have Manu Smriti there and Chanakya Niti, obviously. We have the best books in the library, and it's a privilege that I'm a part of DAV family, and I have a privilege of reading in this library. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nishtha. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Meher,
Nishna.
are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon to everyone. I am truly blessed and honored to be a part of this induction program today. It has been 3 long years of me studying in this college, yes, one of them being at home completely, but I have enjoyed every part of it. So, coming to the library, this library is a rare gem. I swear by God that this is by far the best library I've been to, and it's so lovely, so peaceful, a place where you can actually think and feel and be creative. The silence is rejuvenating, I swear. This is one of the most organized and well set out libraries that I've been to. the most calming, respectful, serene library with the best staff. The staff is the most welcoming and very friendly. And they always greet you, deal with your needs hastily and respectfully, and meet any request that you throw on them. Thank you, ma'am, for such a wonderful effort to make this beautiful place of us to learn. The work of a librarian often goes unnoticed, but I extend my heartfelt thanks to our organized and the most enthusiastic librarian, Mrs. Deepti Madan, for being so supportive, so dedicated, and friendly throughout. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Meher. It's always a blessing to have you all and having your inspiring and motivational words. I'm sure these words will definitely motivate our freshers to visit the library quite frequently. Thank you, Vite. Thank you so
Definitely,
much.
ma'am.
Thanks for sharing your thoughts, students, and wishing
Akash
you
is
all.
there. No, just a minute, Pooja. Akash is here.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here only.
Yeah,
Hanji,
yeah,
Akash.
sure.
Everyone, I am here to share my experience in DAV's library. The best part of this library is that it provides you with the best and the ideal environment to study, to read, to think. So even the books I want, I need, will available there, always available there, and there is no problem for issuing and for checking it that is there or not. So in my opinion, the best library I have ever seen is DAV's library.
Thank you, Akash. Thank you. Ria, would you like to say something?
Well, I feel blessed and fortunate to share my experience over here. As for me, a girl which is always addicted to book, it feels like a fortune that I'm given a responsibility over here. Before starting, I would like you to all pay my regard. I like my regard to be paid all to the distinguished guests here, highly honorable, with all my warm wishes. Well, school technologies, learning needs, all are evolving, but our library will always prevail to be a place for students to find information and resources. This place called library helped me a lot in compiling, critically analyzing, and organizing the information and then communicating my findings, as this place provided me with a safe environment that always encouraged my curiosity and imagination. The ambience and the infrastructure, along with the staff, is always so welcoming that you hardly feel like that this is the place to go and resist. Our library comprises of a special facility that is the outer and inner reading hall. As in the fourth most, that is the outer reading hall. Everyone feels free to come and explore themselves. Whereas the inner reading hall brings one with the personal attention as one can can read, learn, and spend most of the time over there exploring themselves. The reading hall on the first floor is highly advanced, which plays a very vital role, me learning over there especially, and it's very helpful. The maintained decorum over there is highly appreciable and it's not be neglected. I personally feel that this place immensely helped me in gathering the information about my academic session. Being a part of a BA department is not easy. The books there are not really commendable. You have always to consult more than one books to find your topic. And my library, a college library, helped a lot too in doing these things. And this place has always resisted me to stick to one single book. Always, it helped me to explore and widen my horizons. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ria. God bless you all. Thank you. Anyone else who wants to share something, who wants to give any feedback or suggestion, you all are most welcome. Anything you would like to add for further betterment of our library collection and services, you are most welcome.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji.
Ma'am, I want to add something.
Yeah, sure, please. Kindly, Sparsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak, please speak.
Okay. So, good morning, everybody, whosoever are present here for this auspicious occasion of a library induction program of DAV College Chandigarh. Although I'm a fresher, I have never been to the library of DAV College Chandigarh. But one of my friend's brother, he used to study in this college, so he told me very good things about this college. And one of the girl earlier said that it is one of the best libraries of the city. So it is something which entices me to uh, go access the sources of the library. And he also added that it provides us with the leeway to access various books, and it has inculcation of abundance of sources. And I'm eagerly waiting for the college to open and to access various sources of library. So these are my words, and I'm waiting when I will get access to be there and to enjoy all the sources.
Thank you, Spurs. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Over to Pooja, please.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks a lot, students, for sharing your thoughts. Wishing you all a promising future. Now I request Mr. Harpreet Singh to share the link for e-certificate for the students.